What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Blackline performance accessories for the A90 Supra by Golden Wrench Supply. Now this includes an engine start button, coolant cap covers, washer fluid cap, hood latch handle, and the oil cap cover. I think the hood latch handle is my favorite accessory. It just feels so premium. It feels good like holding it compared to the plastic hood latch, and it's like one of those premium parts you see without popping the hood. And one more thing, we're gonna open up a Rexpeed carbon fiber coolant cover. I know there's a coolant sensor there, but it's just all that bare plastic. I just can't stand it. So the main reason why I bought these products is to replace pretty much the plastic parts that come with BMW and add some flair to my engine bay, pretty much giving it a more premium feel. Now, these billet aluminum cap covers don't directly replace the cap itself, so you apply tape on the actual cap cover and it pretty much acts like a shell, not a direct replacement. Now let's head out to the parking lot and install these accessories. Next, we're going to remove 3 screws. Just make sure to take your time and have the proper tools. These are plastic and they break easily. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. If you have a pick tool, that's going to be very helpful, especially for those areas that are hard to reach with your trim removal tool. A pick tool is very useful at that point. This attempt took me a while and I was thinking about using the trim removal tool, but it wouldn't fit, so I had to use my pick tool instead. And this is what happened. Why are you gonna make it so hard? Just pop it off. Now the Rexpeed carbon fiber came with the adhesive promoter, very important to wipe the surface clean and then apply the adhesive promoter to get that 3M tape stick. I know it could be a challenge getting the carbon fiber underneath, but don't be afraid to adjust it. Make sure you aligned it properly with a coolant cap cover. Like I said, the pick tool is very useful in this installation, especially when peeling off the 3M tape and applying it on the cap covers. Now these are made of billet aluminum, which makes them heat resistant and highly durable. And you can really feel the quality and just like the premium feel is there. Just make sure don't touch it when it's really hot, especially with those components in the engine bay. Now the rest of the video is self-explanatory. Just follow how I do it and you should be right on track. If you have any questions, please do leave comments down below and let me know. And there you have it, the Blackline performance accessories for the A90 Supra by Golden Wrench Supply. Thanks again for watching, guys. Check out my shorts on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. It's a way to engage and support the channel. I'm willing to make more videos like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.